Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. I am Pat from Pat's Path Predictor, and today we are going to look at what's going on in Southern California, not through Southern California. In fact, we're actually going to go through what's going on in all of California right now, because this is a very unusual weather event that's going on at this time. I mean, rain in the I know California, rain in the winter, that's usually it's rainy season and everything, so that in it by itself isn't really unusual. But what is unusual is what's going on in around the Los Angeles area and the amount of snow that's coming down in the Sierra Nevada. So we're going to go ahead and get to that. But before we do, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like these. And if you are subscribed, go tell a family member, a friend, someone you know, come check out the channel and come subscribe as well. It is much appreciated. It helps me make out more videos like these. But anyway, back to the video. So Southern California residents are getting rain for Christmas this year, according to this article from KTLA 5, which is one of Los Angeles's one of Los Angeles's news outlets right here, with precipitation forecast through late Tuesday through Saturday. In fact, Los Angeles it's the city of Los Angeles itself. I'm going to pull it up right here. They're expected to get about 2 inches of rain today and tonight, which that in itself is unusual. In fact, back in 2018, Los Angeles got rain for the first time in 9 years, and they're getting rain again in 2021. Except a few weeks ago, they got, I believe, like 6 or 7 inches of rain in Los Angeles, which that is very, very, very unusual for that to happen. In fact, I believe that's historic. If you live in the Los Angeles area, please correct me if I am wrong, but nevertheless, they're according to AccuWeather right here, they're expecting to get 2 inches of rain. It depends on the source. Not every weather source is accurate. It just depends on which weather source you look at. But it does look like you're going. It looked like you're going to get a considerable amount of rain today. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the forecast for tomorrow. Yep, the rain continues through the morning. Gets again another potentially up to a 1/4 inch of rain, according to AccuWeather right here in the city of Los Angeles. So if this checks out, you guys could be seeing over 2 inches of rain in the next 24 hours. If you guys probably are getting rain pretty soon. In fact, I'm gonna pull up the Los Angeles radar, see if you guys are getting rain. Los Angeles, California. Here it is. Okay, it's taking a second. But yeah, no, you guys aren't getting rain yet, but later this afternoon you guys will. So anyway, yeah, back to this right here. A showery unsettled weather pattern is expected for the end of the week. The National Weather Service said a total of 1 to 3 inches are forecast along the coast and valleys this week, and 3 to 5 inches in the foothills and mountains, according to the Weather Service. Which, yeah, I'm not really that surprised. Los Angeles. This is rather unprecedented. In fact, it's you're really unprecedented for the city of Los Angeles to get this amount of rain in December. Heck, let alone like just it raining in the city itself. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. Snow is expected at elevations of 7,000 feet through Thursday, and 4 to 5,000 feet through Friday. So yeah, if you're in California and live up in the areas such as the Sierra Nevada and everything, well, you're getting a white Christmas this year. We can guarantee you that. Well, almost guarantee, because weather's unpredictable. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and go to this up to Northern California. Talk a little bit about the radar right here. We're gonna play it through right here. So yeah, as you can see, it's already raining in Northern California through Chico, Yuba City, Sacramento's getting rain, or San Francisco, Eureka, yeah, Redding, California. But yeah, up in the mountains right here, there is a considerable amount of snow that's falling right there, and I've been looking at the weather stuff right there. I've been looking at the at the weather reports, and just you guys are getting in the mountains. They're getting like at least a foot and a half of snow up there so far. In fact, I have another article pulled up right here. Snow headed to Northern California. This is for you folks that are in the Sierra Nevada mountains right here. So, Weather Service forecasters predict valley showers and light mountain snow. We already talked about that. With snow levels and everything. Early forecasts suggest 2 to 6 feet of snowfall is possible over much of the Sierra Nevada throughout the week. In fact, and this is something I want to touch on briefly, at the Donner Pass, which is along Interstate 80, weather forecasters predict between 6.6 and 8.3 feet of snow. That is quite a lot, to say at the very least. Like, just 6.6 to 8.3 feet of snow. Like, that kind of stuff is not very unusual up in the mountains, but if you're living like in the Midwest, that's something unprecedented to happen. So yeah, and for those of you who are not familiar with the Donner Passes, it was named after the Donner family that a lot of them tragically got stuck up in this pass, and a lot of them tragically passed away. It was I believe the summer of 1846 this happened. I may get the year wrong, but it was during the time that the Oregon Trail was the route to go and everything. But yeah, it was a very big tragedy, and we do not need anyone else stuck up there. But yeah, 6.6 to 8.3 inches of snow. I really can't wrap my brain around it. But if you live in the mountains, that's that's probably nothing. That's probably quite a lot to you as well. But I'm sure it's not unheard of. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and also talk a little bit about go to Eureka, California, because this whole weather system is impacting pretty much the entire state of California, and this really proves. In fact, I showed you that radar scan, like Sacramento, San Francisco, areas in Northern California are getting rain as well. Los Angeles is going to get some more rain this afternoon. So yeah, the high is 55 according to AccuWeather. You're expected to get about 4/10 of an inch, another half inch through the night. I'm going to check for tomorrow. So yeah, potentially another half inch, and then 1/10 of an inch as rain will fall in the evening. But yeah, this checks out. A lot of California is going to see a lot of rain and a lot of snow, and this really, this is to be expected, considering that it is the rainy season. It's the start of the rainy season out in California. But this amount of rain is quite historic, especially for Los Angeles, which got not too long ago. Correct me if I'm wrong. At least like 6 or 7 inches of rain, which is unheard of. And like I said, in 2018, it rained for the first time in 9 years, and then now it's raining a considerable amount. So yeah, that kind of stuff is quite unprecedented, actually. But yeah, it is the rainy season. It's going to continue. So yeah, not too much else to say about that. So that's going to pretty much wrap up the video. I hope all our viewers out in California really got some help from this and everything. I hope I gave you a nice weather analysis. I can't really analyze the entire state of California in one video. It's going to take a few separate videos in order to do that. But I hope for those of you living in Los Angeles, in the mountains, living in Eureka, I hope this helped you out a little bit more. But anyway, that's going to be the video for you guys. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. All I want for Christmas is for you to subscribe to that channel and turn on those notifications. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys stay safe, everybody, and have a Merry Christmas.